Hello guys, today we're going to learn about subtraction within 1,000. On Monday, there were 276 gumballs at the store. On Tuesday, they sold some gumballs. There are 127 gumballs left at the store. How many gumballs were sold on Tuesday? So we know on Monday, there were 276 gumballs. So that is our total. So we're going to put that at the bottom of our strip diagram. On Tuesday, they sold some gumballs. Do we know how many? No. So we're going to put a question mark in our strip diagram. There are 127 gumballs left at the store. So we're going to put 127 on the other side of our strip diagram. How many gumballs were sold on Tuesday? So if we were to write a number sentence, it would look like 276 minus question mark equals 127. We're going to use place value this week to help us solve our subtraction equations. So we're going to start off by making our HTO chart. Now we're going to look at what number do we build first, or what number do we even build. When you're subtracting, you're only going to build your largest number. So if we look at our equation, our largest number is 276. So I need two hundreds. If I look at my tens place, I have 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So to figure out how many I sold on Tuesday, we're going to subtract 127. So I go to my ones place. Can I take 7 ones away from 6? No, I can't. So I have to go to my tens place. I'm going to get a 10. And I'm going to move it to the ones because 10 ones equals 110. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Now I'm going to go to my tens place. I need to subtract 2 tens. So 1, 2. So how many tens do we have left? 10, 20, 30, 40. So 4 tens. Now I need to go to my hundreds place and I need to subtract 100. And I'm left with 100. So the store sold 149 gumballs on Tuesday. Thanks, guys. Have fun solving some problems.